What is going on, y'all? Welcome to Friday. I'm not sure what date it is in this challenge, but it is 12:15 in the afternoon. I have not yet eaten anything apart from the heavy cream in my coffee. Gonna eat a brick, gonna eat some chicken for lunch, but before I do that, I'm gonna test my ketones because I'm a little curious to see what my glucose and ketones are. So, let's get these devices fired up here. What's up, Bryson? Alright, testing some blood, bleeding. Alright, glucose is good to go. Ketones, good to go. Alright, so we're at 74 on the blood glucose, 74 milligrams per deciliter. And we are at 0.9 on the blood ketones. So that is where we're at right now. One thing worth noting, whenever I've been in a significant caloric surplus, I've always noticed significantly less circulating blood ketones and a little bit higher blood glucose. That 74 wasn't too high. That's pretty good, honestly. But again, it's like noon and I haven't eaten anything today. Have not had any exogenous ketones either. That would have artificially raised my blood ketone reading a little bit. But I am going to eat my brick. I got a chocolate PB cup brick. Gonna crash this right now, and I will see y'all for lunch. Yesterday, y'all saw Bryson doing the back of the shirt. My blood sugar don't jiggle jiggle. This is what the front of the shirt looks like.
Alright, 1 second.
Moment of truth, moment of truth.
Blue will be popping.
Boom. Bio Coach.
Yeah. Another hit of the white.
Another hit of the white. You like this, Bryson?
Yeah, man.
That's a good looking shirt you got on there, man.
Fairly simple. Oh no, Faith of
We're gonna
Fear,
launch
man.
that one. That's gonna be on our first relaunch. So get ready for that one.
It's kind of seen some cracking, but you know, it's old. It's
That was
old.
our first test one, I
Yeah,
think. First round of test prints.
But there's the Bio Coach.
Looking good, y'all.
What you got there?
Little munchkin butt.
Cutest little thing I've ever seen.
Little munchkin butt.
Alright, so here I am. Robert and I just got off 2 client calls. And,
Taking on clients right now?
what?
You taking on clients right now?
I am, I don't know that if people email me, I am taking on clients. However, it's not open on my website, so you have to go through me to get on to actually being a client.
Apply to see if
Yeah,
you're
pretty much you have
worthy.
to apply
see
to
if
be
you're
my client
worthy.
as of right now. But I just got off a couple of client calls and we're about to eat lunch. We're letting everyone else get their chicken. Today's the last day of chicken this week and it's super good. So we have to wait till everyone else gets their chicken because we already ate our chicken for today, but we want some more. So we're waiting for everyone to get their chicken and see if there's leftovers. If there's not, we have meatballs and sausage. Either way, we're gonna eat something delicious. But we just have to keep filming this guy because he's just so cute. Look at him.
You got a good
that.
angle on my arm. Does it look pretty small? He's not out angling me, is he?
No, yeah, he definitely is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, make sure my arm's the focal point, not him.
All right. Talk to you guys later.
Alright, y'all, so that's my chicken. I got a bunch of chicken there, and I have the keto brick, which means this meal is going to be 2,155 calories, 179 grams of protein, 155 grams of fat, and the 9 grams of total carbs. So, that's that, y'all. About to dive in as soon as he lets me.
Which is never.
Yeah, he's pretty chill.
Who we got?
We got a bunch of chicken. We got a bunch of chicken.
What's going on, y'all? Y'all want to see something immaculate, amazing? Alright, let me show you. We got my lawnmower in my truck. Have not weed eated yet, so don't look at that. Don't look at the weeds. But the grass is all mowed. Yeah, buddy. The building is mowed. By the way, we got like a video sometime to showcase all of these names that are on here. in like slow motion so people can see them. If you're a really fast reader, you may be able to read it right now. But these are all the names of all the people that bought a brick on the brick by brick launch. Look at that. And Ellen painted all of those names on there, which is also incredibly impressive. But right now, I'm about to go work out. All right, y'all, we've done ketone tests. We've done glucose tests. We've done COVID tests. Whoa, look at that one, y'all. It's gonna focus. Focus. Boom. I just took a COVID test, and this thing says I'm positive. So, a little backstory here. Bryson, y'all know Bryson, he's the one that's always stealing the camera from us. His brother, Brinson, who also works here, was gone for a week and a half. They went to Hawaii with his sister. So his brother, Brinson, and his sister went to Hawaii. They just flew back on Thursday. Bryson went to pick them up at lunchtime on Thursday, which was yesterday. They come back in, and then they're working today. So Brinson's first day back in a week and a half is today. Bryson's obviously working here. And then their sister calls up and like, hey, I've lost all sense of taste and smell. And I just tested positive for COVID. So now Bryson and Brinson are like, well, shoot, we should test. So they test. And I have some antigen tests. So I brought them up here, and both Bryson and Brinson tested negative. And I'm like, well, shoot, I've never done a COVID test. I'm going to take one too, even though I feel totally fine. Just to kind of be there for moral support for them, I guess. And mine freaking comes back positive. So what's up with that nonsense? I don't know. But I feel like $1 million. I'm going to go slam a bicep, tricep workout. I'll see y'all in a bit. What's up?
This guy.
He's got his Under Armour on. Is he ready to work out?
Yeah.
Under Armour and blue jeans.
He's got to change his jeans.
All right, we're doing some delts. Did press, did overhead press, barbell, dumbbell press, did plate raises, did side lateral raises. Now we're doing reverse flies for the rear delts. Got Josiah back there showing us how it's done. Get after it. All right, y'all, we are back at the house. Just took a shower. I'm going to take a COVID test again. This time I'm taking this one, Quick View at home OTC COVID-19 test. I don't know if I mentioned this in the earlier clip, but I mowed the lawn at the building, got a ton of dirt and dust up my nose. Not sure why that would skew the test results, but I don't have any dirt or dust in my nose. Currently I just took a shower, so I'm gonna test again and we'll see what it shows. So, holler back at you in 10-12 minutes when this test is complete. What up, y'all? Back at ya. It's been the allotted time. I don't know if you'll even be able to tell. I don't know if you can tell with that one. It's like super faint, but it is in fact positive. The one I took earlier, I've taken 3 tests now. The first one was expired. I took that one when the guys took theirs, kind of like, not as a joke, but like, I didn't feel any symptoms. I had one that was expired. They were taking a test. I'm like, I'm never taking a test. I'll take a test with you guys. And that one showed positive, like super faint. And I'm like, well, it's just an expired test. Probably didn't count. But Crystal was like, well, take one that's not expired. So I took one that's not expired. Definite positive, like super, super apparent line. And I just got home, took this one with a different style test, and it is also positive. So I guess that officially means I have COVID-19. I think what I'm gonna do, I hope I don't lose my sense of taste and smell, because eating 4,000 calories without being able to taste it would be brutal. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and just document this per usual, because that's how I roll. I document everything. No masks here, full transparency. I'm gonna document exactly how I feel, and that's just gonna be intertwined into the daily vlogs here for the remainder of this 4,000 calorie challenge. I've got like 2 or 3 more days left of the challenge, so we'll kind of see if I have any symptoms or not. I don't feel different at all. I just got done killing a workout, mowing the yard, doing all that good stuff. I don't want this to become political at all. I don't want this to become controversial at all. There's like so much controversy around COVID-19. People make it political. I don't have any desire to go down that rabbit hole on this vlog series. I know people that have had COVID and have had 0 symptoms. I know people that have had COVID and have crazy long COVID symptoms and they're almost incapacitated. I don't take any of those for granted. I don't, make light of any of those situations. But I figured I would just show y'all exactly how it impacts me. And at the moment, I have absolutely 0 symptoms and feel like $1,000,000. Except for the fact that I've got to find a lot more calories left for the day. So I'm gonna try and,
I tested negative.
Crystal tested negative. But I'm gonna see what I can eat, and I'll holler back at you when I figure out those macros. So, talk to you soon. A little update for y'all. I got 1,200 calories left to go. I'm gonna eat another keto brick right now and take advantage of this dusk shooting light. Shoot some arrows. I can still taste the brick just fine, so I've not lost any taste of smell or taste, sense of taste or smell thus far, so that's positive. But yeah, don't have my rangefinder on me, but I believe I'm at about 30 yards here. So we'll see if we can sling some arrows. Love me some shooting. I'm not quite at 30 yards because I'm shooting a little high, so my 30-yard pin's not where it needs to be. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit and sink a few more arrows. Alright, y'all. Move back a little bit. Shot a few more arrows. Let's see what we're looking like here. Looking a little better, it seems. Alright, so those are all definitely in the kill zone. This one's off, but I'm also missing some fletching on this here. I need to go to the bow shop and get more arrows and get this one obviously refletched, but those are all where we want them. I do enjoy the shooting. I want to start making it a habit to shoot the bow more frequently. This is like meditation for me, y'all. What up, y'all? We got the day's macros figured out. I'm gonna have 3 slices of provolone cheese to round out my intake for the day because I like cheese. So I'm gonna have 3 slices. If I can get into the package here. That's how big each slice is. I'm gonna have 3 of those, which is gonna bring my total to 4,020 calories, 317 grams of total fat, 29 grams of total carbs, 226 grams of total protein, for a total of a 73.6% fat ratio. So 73.6% of my total daily calories are coming from dietary fat. And that, y'all, is gonna round out the macros. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all tomorrow, which is gonna be Saturday. Hopefully I'm feeling well, and all is good on y'all's end. So, see you soon.